Aston Martin is seeking to enter the private flying vehicle race with an autonomous electrified aircraft, previewed by the Volante Vision Concept, that could take to skies in 2020. Produced in collaboration with Cranfield University, Cranfield Aerospace Solutions and Rolls-Royce, the luxury 3-seat craft can take off vertically thanks to a set of rotor blades that can alter their angle. Although it is very much a design concept, Autocar understands that Aston intends to send a prototype to the skies in about 2 years, meaning the concept provides a glimpse of how Aston's first flying production model could look. Described by Aston as a hybrid electric vehicle for urban and intercity air travel, it has a futuristic, sleek look that has been crafted in-house. Design chief Mark Reichman said the craft comes at the beginning of a new generation of urban transportation where vertical mobility is no longer a fantasy. Cranfield University and Cranfield Aerospace Solutions have handled much of the vehicle's technical development, while Rolls-Royce has provided its hybrid power source, the details of which have been kept secret for now. It's possible that the Volante Vision Concept could use a combination of jet and electric power like the short-haul jet concept recently produced by Rolls-Royce, Airbus, and Siemens. That craft uses 2 electric motors and 2 turbofan jet engines, enabling significant reductions in fuel usage and emissions. Aston CEO Andy Palmer said his brand's concept illustrates Aston's solution to fighting urban transport issues associated with traffic. He said, "Humans have always spent, on average, 1 hour commuting to and from work. The distance we live from our workplace has been determined by the methods of transportation available. The Volante Vision Concept will enable us to travel further with our hourly commute, meaning we are able to live further away from where we work. Cities will grow and towns that are today too far away from cities to be commutable will become suburban." Aston's recent interest in non-automotive vehicles also includes the AM37 speedboat and the Project Neptune submersible. Like the Vision Volante concept, they are billed as luxury vehicles and illustrate the brand's evolution from carmaker to luxury brand.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.